Today we are going to learn how to take fractions of whole numbers. Let's dive right in. We are going to multiply 8 and 1/4. We know how to multiply fractions, but 8 is a whole number, not a fraction. Well, we can just rewrite 8 as the fraction 8 over 1. Now we have two fractions, and we know when we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. 8 times 1 is 8, and 1 times 4 is 4. Finally, we just need to simplify our fraction. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and that's it. We're done. Does this answer make sense? 8 times 1/4 is the same as 1/4 of 8. If we take 8 basketballs and split them into 4 groups, there are 2 in each group. So 1/4 of 8 is 2. Great. Now let's try some more examples. Here we are multiplying 2 sevenths times 14. We can start by writing the whole number as a fraction. This becomes 14 over 1. So we have 2 over 7 times 14 over 1. Now we can multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. 2 times 14 equals 28, and 7 times 1 is 7. So we have 28 over 7. Lastly, we can simplify the fraction 28 divided by 7, which is 4. So that's our final answer. What happens if we have a big number like 60,000? We do the exact same thing. First, write 60,000 over 1. So our problem now reads 60,000 over 1 times 1/3. Now we can multiply the numerators to get 60,000. The denominator will be 1 times 3, or 3. So we have 60,000 over 3. Now we can simplify the fraction to get 20,000. Lastly, we have the example 5/6 times 840. Again, we can start by writing the whole number as a fraction with 1 in the denominator. We get 5 over 6 times 840 over 1. Now we can multiply the numerators and the denominators. If we multiply 5 times 840, we get 4,200. If we multiply 6 times 1, we get 6. We have 4,200 over 6. When we reduce this fraction, we get 700. Now it is your turn to find fractions of whole numbers.